That's a person without heart and soul. All the people in your life, sharing love and everything. That's heart and soul. Heart and soul. Every laugh, every cry you make. We are family. You mean everything to me. My heart and soul.
Wait till your mama hears what I have to say about your behavior. Damaris!
Hold on, I'm coming.
Damaris!
Damaris, open up! I want to talk to you!
Damaris! What is happening? Mom? Mom! Is everything all right?
Good morning, Mama Maria. Danger, what's the matter?
Damaris, this time I am getting the police. This son of
Calm down, Mama Maria. Please, come in.
Mama Maria, may I offer you some tea?
No, thank you.
Tell me what happened.
I caught him red-handed with Maria in my couches. It was full of smoke, cigarettes everywhere, and beer. And you know what that kind of behavior can lead to. I am a Christian and I am not that.
You aren't doing anything. She is just lying.
Quiet, Danger. Mama Maria, please go home.
What have you
I'll
done?
deal with my son. There's no need to bring the police in. We'll sort it out later.
No, I'm going to finish this here and now. The time is gone too far. I'm taking Maria to a doctor to get checked. And if I found out that they
Mama Maria, please listen to me. You know very well that all my children are arriving today to celebrate the renewal of my marriage vows to Baba Josiah. Huh? As you can see, Josiah is here with his wife already, and the rest will be here soon. So we shall finish this some other time, please. Goodbye, Mama Maria, and God bless.
Goodbye.
See you in church tomorrow.
Danger, danger. Will you never change?
But you aren't doing anything. Danger, you've managed to wake up and get yourself in trouble already, and it's not even 7 o'clock in the morning.
I do not know why Mama Maria hates me so much. I won't stay here for you to lecture me on something I haven't done.
Don't talk to us like that with your parents, remember? Danger, come back here. Look at him. He knows that I cannot run after him.
I wonder where he got his bad character from. It's definitely not from me.
Ah, come on, folks. The same old story. Well, it's definitely not from me either.
We have given that boy everything a parent could give. And yet, I should ask Josiah what he is like in the city.
Oh, come on, Damaris. Don't let us be upset about this. Huh? He's just a young man and he'll soon grow about it. And after all, I don't want to get into a bad mood. Cheer up. He'll grow out of it soon. I hope.
Why are you always so soft on the children? That's exactly what you said about Dora. And look at Hannah. At 35, she is still behaving like a teenager. She is raising her son on her own and can't seem to settle down.
But our Dora is a successful marketing executive.
What about a successful family life? You know what the Bible says.
Okay. We must count our blessings, as you always say. But we haven't done too badly. You see, Josiah is a respected doctor. Leah and her husband are happy. George is full of good business ideas. Dora is doing well. So for Danger, oh come on, he'll soon be out of high school. And for you, my dear, looking so nice and young and beautiful, just like the very first time I saw you. Sorry. But what is it? Calm down, my dear. Calm down.
Enough. Somebody else might walk in. Let's get ready. After all, it's our special day.
Oh, yes, it is.
You know, Josiah, I don't think
Danger should live with us anymore.
Here we go again.
That boy, he's trouble.
How can you say that? He's my younger brother, and anyway, he'll soon finish school, move to university, and live there.
Yeah, if he doesn't rot in jail first.
Mother would not appreciate that remark.
Your mother. She doesn't appreciate anything we do. Here we are raising her son, and all the money you make at that clinic goes to her endless projects.
Don't talk like that. I mean, you know, Mother is the pillar of the church and the community. Look, she has initiated water and education projects that have benefited women. Look at yourself. What have you done for anyone?
Oh, Leia's arrived.
Oh, finish putting on your devil's mask and come join us.
She's alone. I wonder what happened to the rest of the family. Hi, Josiah.
Oh, hi, sis. Let me give you a hand.
upset.
Oh, the usual, you know. Mom is upset, Danger and the girls. You'll never be able to understand these people. By the way, where is your family?
They're not coming.
What?
Has everyone else arrived?
Well, I came in
Hi,
yesterday.
guys.
Oh, Dora.
Yes, Dora.
Come on, Dora. How are you?
Oh, I'm fine.
Oh, that's great.
How are you?
Very fine.
Blair.
Come on, let me have my hug too. Oh, thanks.
Hi,
Thank
Mom.
you very
Hi, Dad. Oh, you are fine. Welcome, children. Welcome home. Talking of children, where are the children? And where's your husband, Money?
Ah, that's all right. I didn't bring Junior either. I thought you'd be bored with the ceremony.
Oh, come on, everybody. Let's go inside and talk inside.
But I wanted to see my grandchildren. What kind of party is this going to be without my grandchildren? It's wonderful to have you home. Welcome. Has George arrived?
Ah, come on, you know George. Late as usual.
Hello?
Josiah?
Ah, George, where are you? Everyone's here already.
Look, Josiah, I'm in a bit of trouble.
If it's about money, I don't want to know. Benta. Oh, Benta, the girl in Danger's class. What happened?
Well, I've taken her to your clinic. It's really bad, man. Look, we have a problem.
Who's we?
Well, look, no, we had to go. One of those backstreet doctors, she tried to have an abortion, man.
Oh, she's only 17.
Well, it was an accident. She didn't mean to.
Is she all right? Do you understand what you've done? This is now a police case. She can't stay in my clinic. You have to move her immediately. Do you understand? No. I'm sorry.
No, Josiah, please, I've got nowhere else to go. You're my bro, man. Please. Look, I've run out of coins. I'll call you later.
No.
Who's that on the phone, Josiah?
No one important.
Oh, Daddy. Dora brought you.
Oh, you have a nice thing here. Where did it come from?
I brought it from here.
Oh, beautiful.
Danger, how dare you come in here without knocking? What do you want?
You set Mama Maria on me, didn't you?
You out of your mind.
You have been trying to get rid of me. And now, you're working together with Mama Maria. I saw you talking to her yesterday. Good work.
Danger, I have nothing to discuss with you.
I know about you. And I will tell Josiah.
Tell him what?
I will also tell Leah
Tell her what?
about you and Leah's husband.
Get out of here!